little artists. Today is a special day, Rose Day. So, what better way to celebrate than by drawing a beautiful rose together? Are you ready to add a touch of nature to our canvas? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your pencils because we're about to create a lovely rose. Let's dive into the art of blossoms and beauty. Picture a delicate rose in your mind. Now, let's bring it to life. Draw the petals with me. Now, let's add a stem to our rose, and don't forget 2 elegant leaves to complete the picture. Let's fine-tune our artwork, ensuring each detail is just right. It's all about capturing the grace of a blooming rose. And now, for the grand moment, let's add some color to our beautiful rose. Are you ready to name some enchanting hues?
Awesome!
Blue color. Purple color. Orange color. Pink color. Green color. Yellow color. Red color. Orange color.
Cool!
Green color. Red color. Yellow color. Lime green color. Pink color.
Awesome!
Our Rose Day celebration is complete with this stunning rose. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.